Hey guys, today I thought I would do kind of a PR unboxing and haul. I have actually opened a good bit of this and like looked through it. I don't know why. I always like to do that when my PR comes, just to make sure everything's good. We are in the office right now and I am desperately trying to get all of this sorted. Starting to add some things that make me happy, and yes, Grumpy Bear makes me happy, but it is a mess in here. I still have a lot of work to do, so we're just gonna ignore that. Before I start with everything else, I wanted to show you guys this first. This is Veggies Made Great, which if you guys have not heard of that brand, they do so much, but they do like breakfast potatoes and like frittatas and muffins, and they're just so good. And I swear, whoever heads up their social media is probably like, leave us alone. I'm obsessed with them and I feel like I'm always tagging them. And so recently they posted in their stories this sweatshirt and I was like, as someone who lives in sweatshirts, please, where can I purchase this? And they were so nice and they were like, it was a like limited PR release type of a thing, and basically there are none left. I was like, oh, bummer. So then they came back a little while later and were like, we found some more and would love to send you one. And I was like, it literally made my whole week that week knowing this package was coming. So they sent me this and I've literally lived in it. I wash it and then I put it immediately back on. Sent me these cute little bracelets that say Veg Head, Veggies, and Veggies Made Great. So cute. And then I love a good sticker. Veggie vibes only. Aw shucks, and it's corn. And of course, you Brock. Thank you, Veggies Made Great, because I kid you not, if you ask my neighbors, they'd be like, I think that's probably the only shirt that girl owns, probably. Up next is actually something I literally just got in the mail just now. I forgot what I chose for my picks for this, but this is MeUndies. I think I got Dustin boxers this time. I love, sorry to be graphic, love the print on this. It's just so summery and cute. I love any pink undergarment. If that doesn't get you feeling right, nothing will. And I think these are the boxers. Again, I just feel like I just like the like summery vibes of these. These have flamingos on them. Anyways, cute. Thank you, MeUndies, for the undies. Next up is another food package. Getting food PR is some of the best. Truly. This is another brand I've pretty much stalked. I tried them, honestly, I want to say, I think it was like a year ago. It was a long time ago. But this is Yes, and they do vegan gummies. And that's how I first found out about them. This was my first one that I tried from them. And I actually have a video on Instagram talking about these. They're just so, I know that it's gummies. I know that. And you're like, how could that be different from any other gummy? I don't know. I have no idea what to tell you on why these are superior, but they're so juicy and good. Also been stalking Yes, and they just came out with a brand new version. So they sent me two of these. I've already opened one bag. These are one of their newer ones, which is the Wild and Free Foam. And I've actually never had like a foamy kind of gummy, so I don't know what to expect, but I'm doing a taste test video for sure on these. I've also had these before and they are so good. It's just like the gummy version that's sour. And this is their brand new one. It's Cosmic Visions Sour Gummies. I don't know if, oh, you hear all the sour salt seasoning? Is it if it's sour? I've never thought about that. Flavoring? I don't know. They have really cute, like, I almost said prints, shapes and everything. I don't know. I just love it. Just so cute. Thank you, Yes, for sending this over. And like I said, I'll be doing a taste test on all of the new ones. I have another food box. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Okay, anyway. This is from Vegan Cuts. I am going to do a whole in-depth video on Instagram of everything that came in the box. Sorry, technical issue. As I was saying, I like to do taste test videos of these, but I always take so long doing them that I just kind of did an overview of everything them. But Vegan Cuts is the best. They do the best quality subscription for food stuff, and it's obviously all vegan. Another Vegan Cuts, they send me the beauty subscription, which I actually am now remembering. I've taken quite a few things off of here out of the box already to use, but again, this one's going to be up on Instagram. They gave me a lot of good stuff this month, so watch out on Instagram for the full unboxing on these. Thank you, Vegan Cuts, for sending these over. If you guys have never heard of Simply Earth, they are an essential oil company, and I bounce back and forth, I feel like, a lot between being like more holistically, like holistic as far as medicine, as far as cleaning and that, and then sometimes I'm like, I like a good bleach. So I'm somewhere in the middle, but I really do love essential oils. I think they'll always be a part of my routine. Again, I have a video coming up of like everything that came in these boxes, and it's kind of a lot to go through. But I love it because they included some dye to be able to make your own like lip balm and like beauty things. This is the second box. And I was also really excited about this because I've never had the roller balls before. So you can make like all of your own mixes, and I've actually already made one. The one I ended up making was for like a natural bug spray, which we are always outside, and I was really excited about that. They included some coconut oil and almond oil, so yes. More of these recipes definitely coming soon. Getting close to the end, but another food item I'm not gonna talk a whole lot about because I can't really. This is from a company called Ahoy, and it is mayonnaise. New flavor of mayonnaise. You're gonna wanna see what it is. That video will be over on my Instagram. I think this is the last like food item. I love Truvani powders. I love all of their products, but their protein powders, collagen powders, I really enjoy. So they sent me over some unflavored collagen powder. They're always so nice to include recipe books, and these are delicious recipes. The one I opened it to, for example, secret ingredient spaghetti sauce. Yeah. Pretty good. They're always so nice to include a cute little frother. This is like hot pink, so cute. Onto a few beauty things. ColourPop sent over these glosses. These are their Hydra Pop glosses in the colors Mantra, Juice Box, and Baby Fox. And they're so good. They're really like, how do you explain it? They're not a sticky gloss at all. They're very like almost watery feeling on. It's so nice. Next is from Beekman 1802. I love the milkshake spray. This is an essential. I literally have one of these in every single bag I own, in my car, in like Dash's diaper bag. I mean, everywhere. This is an essential for me. It was a huge part of today's makeup routine. I think that this is honestly a must-have. Next is from Ladora. This is actually a device, and I'm really excited about it. It's a 4-in-1 LED light therapy skincare device. I'll obviously have to use this for some time before I can update you guys on it, but this is the Lumio, and they also included this serum that goes with it. It's what you put on your skin before you use that. Thank you, Ladora, for that. I have one cute little sample I wanted to show you guys. This is from Jo Malone, and it is the Raspberry Ripple Cologne. First of all, that's so cute, the little paper it comes in. It smells so good. It's red currant raspberry and white musk, and I'm really not a very like down with the musk scent type girl. I'm a little musky on my own, so it doesn't work with me. It's so good though, such a good summer scent. Lastly is from Sonex. I love them. The case I have on my phone right now is from them. It's been on my phone for over a year, and it is top-notch quality. I don't drop my phone all the time, but I do drop it sometimes, but it is just really good protection, super cute prints. And I saw that they had come out with a collection that was Sanrio, of course, and I'm like, hey, sorry, this is bothering me. Where is this at? So they were so nice and let me pick out a case for my Switch. Going to pick out a phone case, but we got kind of like, we just kept hitting some errors trying to order it, and they were like, we'll just surprise you with a case and enjoy it. And I was like, thank you so much. So this is the case, so cute. So many different collections too. This one, obviously a print with like everybody on there. They even have Lala and Kiki in it, and I love it. I did a whole video decking out my Switch to put it in this case as well, which I think is on shorts here. I'm not sure. If it's not, it will be in a minute. So the phone case they surprised me with, which I literally have not put on just so that I could do this video for you guys, is this one, and I love it. It's like the ice cream, like sweet treats kind of vibe. I love it so much. So I, of course, bought myself this phone ring. It is a mag, like you just put it on the back of your phone. So I'm going to do a video on these two, decking out my phone. That is it for my little PR haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I stopped doing these a little while ago. I was honestly getting a little overwhelmed with PR. I am so grateful always when brands send me this, that I want to be able to give like my all to every single package, and sometimes it's a lot. But I deeply appreciate it. I deeply appreciate you guys watching too. Did I mention I have bangs? I have bangs. I cut these. Oh yeah, that was the last vlog. Did you watch it? You should. Anyways, I hope that you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye.